Welcome to Rural Community Informatics, Tools for Addressing the Rural Digital Divide. Rural communities have consistently lagged behind urban areas when it comes to broadband internet access, as shown here. This is known as the Rural Digital Divide. This inequality results in rural residents having fewer opportunities related to education, jobs, healthcare, and knowledge and information. The rural digital divide exacerbates the brain drain, where people of working age have to move to the city to find better educational opportunities and jobs. This, in turn, contributes to overpopulation in cities and urban issues like crime, pollution, traffic jams, and road rage. Rural community informatics involves using data and information and communication technology to help level the playing field and enhance the quality of life in rural areas. In this course, you will learn about community anchor institutions and broadband internet access, various data sets available through the census.gov, and social network analysis for identifying partners to help address the rural digital divide and stop the brain drain. To learn more about rural community informatics, subscribe to my YouTube channel.